We have on standby, joining us from Kaduna, Barrister Aminu Abdul Rasheed, a legal practitioner, to talk about the Supreme Court's verdict. Thank you so much for joining us. Do I have you there, Barrister?
I can hear you.
Of the election.
Pardon, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
So I said, what's your reaction to the Supreme Court's verdict generally in the judgment about the 6 governorship elections?
It is not unexpected, especially considering the previous judgment passed last week, where Supreme Court upheld almost all the election of the governors they passed. So on this one too, Supreme Court tried to avoid technicality issues and go straight to the merit of the election, and also overturn all the issues that at the tribunal and at the Court of Appeal were of technical. So I can say the judgment of today is confirm the era of the avoidance of technicalities in our election petitions, so that there will be continuity in those that INEC already declared. Though some of the losers of this petition will feel justice is not passed in this judgment. But if you look at the bigger picture, you will see that at least there will not be disruption in governance in those states that the Supreme Court now upheld their elections.
Its role in ensuring justice for all, especially in election matters.
And justice is relative. People that got judgment feel that it is success in the election and in the jurisprudence. But to those that lose, they will feel otherwise. But to me, as a lawyer, I feel in any way justice is passed, because Supreme Court or judges use what is before them, and they look at the argument canvassed based on the facts and circumstances surrounding the election that took place in the previous election.
Look at INEC. What ways do you think that the Electoral Commission needs improvement to ensure certain pre-election matters are concluded and not brought to the court?
About electoral laws, it needs some improvement, especially National Assembly should ensure that after elections, no elected person is sworn in before he concludes his legal battle. That is one aspect. Two, INEC should strictly adhere to electoral guidelines and ensure that whenever election is taking place, electoral materials arrive at the time they have already prepared for. And also those electoral malpractices and corrupt practices in election is eradicated. But INEC has to join hands with other relevant authorities. Though in Nigeria, politicians interfere with a lot of processes, but INEC should look at or take cue from other countries where they are independent, as they are rightly called, and not to be intimidated or allow interference with either the people in government or other politicians that will do all they could to see that they win at the end of any election.
We saw the news. And that was Barrister Aminu Abdul, a legal practitioner.